How to stop people tagging me on Facebook. So this is actually quite simple and I'm going to show you how to get this done. First things first, let's go ahead and just tap this three vertical lines here, and we're going to go ahead and open the settings. After opening the settings, I want you to go ahead and scroll down, and we are going to go ahead and look for something called profile and tagging, which is this one right here. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll down to reviewing. So here is something that's interesting. So down here it says review posts you're tagged in before the post appears in your profile. So in this case it is turned off by default, so you can just go ahead and enable it just like so. And yeah, after doing so, you can head over here to tagging. So there are two things here that you can change, but this is going to be optional. Who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile, so you can go ahead and set this one to only me. And then here as well, when you're tagging a post, who do you want to add to the audience, so you can go ahead and set this one to only me as well. So yep, that is how it is, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.